Welcome to the online lecture series on 8051 microcontroller. In this video lecture, we shall execute the DAC program, that is digital to analog conversion program, and we shall see the output in the logic analyzer, which is inbuilt with the ID. Okay, so this is the program wherein we are generating a square wave. Okay, so first we will be sending a low value, then we shall be sending an high value with a delay. So with this we will be able to generate a square wave. So let me compile this. Then you have to go to debug, afterwards you have to go to view, then select logic analyzer window. Okay, so this is the logic analyzer window. First you need to set up. Okay, so here you have to give the parameter wherein you are sending the digital data. So in the code, if you see, I am sending the digital data to port 2. That's why in the setup we have to give the parameter as port 2. Okay, then you say close. Okay, then you have to run continuously. Okay, you have to use this F5 or this icon. So when you run the program, you can see that the square wave is being generated. Okay, if you are unable to see, you simply zoom out. Okay, so if you zoom out, you will be able to see the output. So this is the DAC program for the square wave. Similarly, we have a DAC program for a ramp wherein it rises from 0 to the high value, then it suddenly falls. Okay, so I will include that program for DAC ramp. So this is the program, you can see. So the value rises from 0 to 255. 255 because it is 8-bit, so maximum is 255. Okay, so let's compile this. Let's debug. Okay, then I will go to the logic analyzer window, then I will run this. Okay, you little bit zoom in so that you can see the output. Yeah, this is the ramp wherein it is rising from 0 to high, then it is becoming 0. Okay, so these are the two DAC programs which will be there for the examination. Thank you.